Already going on my ass. I don't want Ryan to edit it again and just put fucking slow motion behind it. Watch your left hand side, Kermit. Which way? What? That one there.
Sniper, put your head down. Yeah. Here you go. Hit.
Hit!
Place your players on the left. John! Get your ass up here now! Come on! Incoming guys, incoming! You're only threatening these guys, don't you?
Hit!
You need your wall! Stop the bait in the wall! Five of them! Somebody from the right, Alex, watch your move. Oh, hit!
Look, going more to your right, Kermit. We've got people here. We've got people here. This guy needs a medic. Go on, I've got you covered if you want to. Fuck's sake. Right, watch it because they're all here. Hit!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. One sec. Yeah. Right, you're getting dragged. 1, 2. 1. 11, 12.
Go.
In the trees and go back down. Kermit, we're going. Oh, shit. Oh. Sorry, just fell. We're going back through the trees where we came from. Ryan! Come on! Come on! Cooey! Who are you? Cooey! Oh, you dirty bastard! Fuck!
Thank you, Ryan. I heard the crack.
Yeah, I had the crack as well.
Hey, yeah, I have noticed something though. We've never shot her in a game.
No, because she's got that and that hurts, especially
Oh,
when
right,
she's
okay,
there
then.
like that.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. It's fucking good.
You shot your own gun. One, 2, 3, 10, 19, 20.
Back in!
Luke, wait right at end of trees, straight in front of you.
Sorry, just getting my photo taken.
Where's his, ignore the left.
I need to get closer. Yeah, you wrestle now. I'll go here.
Luke, get this guy. Medic. 1, 2, 3, 17, 18, 19, 20. Get that guy. Get that guy.
One, 2, 3, 19, 20.
How many we got over this side? Sorry, how many? One hiding. Oh yeah, see whether the guy needs medicing, yeah. One near him.
Can you see him at all?
Yeah, the little hill about 30 metres in front of me is just behind that.
We're moving up.
See the 2 trees in front of me, there's a big tree, yeah? The big one, the fat one. Try and get behind that.
This way you wanted.
Yeah. Yeah, nice one.
Left hand side. Some coming down left hand side, Kermit.
Straight ahead here.
Left hand side, right outside.
Straight ahead. See three of them coming down?
Yeah.
Straight there.
Watch your head.
Watching me back. I'm going to move around, alright?
Oh, dude, one.
Nice knock. Nice knock. Straight in front here, Ryan. Straight in front. He's being revived.
Come on, you're thinking, you used to be one of us.
Medic! Revive him. Back in!
Stand up and all these things.
Straight ahead.
Fuck you, Scott!
Coming down left. Hey, I'll go open. I've got my
Yeah, you got a range.
Come on, mate.
Go more left.
Hey! Medic!
Medic him, medic him, medic him. Far left, still coming.
Back in!
Two of them there, Luke.
Yeah, I can see you.
How far are they left?
They're coming round.
I'd go for the bleed outs if you get hit, if you still get alive.
Yeah. Whoa, what's so?
Oh, hey!
Right, come on. Will you cover me?
Do you want to do a bleed out or a medic?
Yeah, you want to bleed out or medic?
2 minutes to bleed out.
Uh,
you just go back.
Right, I'm moving back because we got. I'm good. Hit! Hit! Where are they? Do you know?
watch out this side, behind this.
It's red.
Is red, yeah?
Yeah.
Just the way he ran back, it was coming in.
Oh, they're dead.
Dragging you, mate. Oops, sorry. Right. 1, 2, 19, 20.
Watch him!
Where were they coming from? Those three?
Weber up on the second line, so.
Right, you good? I've got you covered. Oh, hit!
They actually need to get inside the base, so. And that's something they're not fucking good at. They're good at getting around it, and sitting around the outskirts of it and shooting it. But actually getting the objective is a different story.
What got here?
Neck and, I don't know, I just hit me in the neck.